Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are going to be playing this firecracker game. I actually don't know how to pronounce the title, so I will put that in the video description. But we've got $100 loaded up. We're playing 2-cent denomination. We're doing $1.76 spins. So I decided to play this machine specifically because none of the fireworks were lit up. One thing you might hear a lot of people talk about is how if the firecrackers are close to the top, that the machine is more likely to go off and they're going to get the bonus, but honestly it's all just BS. It has nothing to do with it, it's just visual. But I will say it is hard to walk past them anytime you see a machine like this where you're like, oh man, it's about to pop. You just want to put $100 into it and try, but I decided it'd be fun to play one that has no firecrackers lit up and see what happens. So far, we're getting the firecrackers, but we haven't activated a bonus yet. One thing to note, with these kind of games, sometimes the line hits can actually be really good. So, playing this version specifically, you'll see that I'm actually getting a lot of good line hits, anywhere from like $5 to $20. So keep that in mind when you are trying to get a bonus. You don't want to always chase it, but if you're going to, you might as well do it on a game that's going to give you some return while you're trying to do it. $5 here and there adds up when you're chasing that goal. So the little man symbols, those are the top symbols. They pay out the most, and then the wild, they're kind of like the Chinese writing symbols. So you might also notice that when you get a firecracker, there's a number associated with it. Sometimes you'll see a mini or minor on them too. The only way to get that bonus is whenever you actually trigger the bonus. So let's say you get a green firecracker for 500. Since it's on 2-cent denomination, that would be $10. But yeah, the only way to actually get the value is to trigger the bonus, and that's how the bonus starts. So right now we are down $52, but we're still gonna keep going for it. I just always like to test out machines with $100 and just kind of see what happens. We're definitely building up the firecrackers, but we have not got anything yet. So I know for a lot of people that, even bringing $100 to the casino could seem like a lot, but what do you guys ideally bring? Do you bring $20 to $40? Do some of you bring 500, 1,000? Let me know. It definitely kind of changes my play style depending on how much money I have and what kind of games I'm playing. This is definitely, higher in volatility, so I probably wouldn't put just $20 into this machine. Sometimes you can get lucky doing that, but at the same time, it could eat it pretty fast. Oh, come on, do it for the vine, do it for the vine. And we got it, a triple pop. So if you've never got this bonus before, we just got a triple feature, so we have double the orbs that fall, so basically we'll get double the wins. We also got the ultra spins, which adds this bird that flies across the screen and increases the values, which you'll see shortly. Right there, we just got one. And then we got the extra spins, which instead of having 3 chances at getting a ball to drop, we've got 4, so this could be huge. I'm seeing a lot of the minis and minors coming by. Hopefully we can land one. And remember, we're playing 2-cent denomination, so all these values are doubled. So when we started, we were already at $21 on each board, so this is already a big win. And we just got a minor. So the minor we just landed, that is $40. Man, who doesn't love a bird that just flies around and gives us free money? Let's go. Alright, so we've still got 4 spins on the board for both of them. You know, a lot of people say that the extra spins is not their favorite, but I just always see it as more chances of getting that grand if you fill the whole board. Not to mention just in general, you'll probably get more orbs to drop. While this bird keeps making some passes around, let me know what your favorite kind of style of this game is. I know one of the more popular ones is the dumpling game. I know the coin trio with the piggies or the dragon coins. Let me know down below. Alright, and it looks like that was our last spin. Let's see how we did. Alright, so we were down to our last $15 and we won $164. So we're definitely going to be in the profit.